So we're looking here to Filecoin. Let's look to Filecoin. So the prediction, what I made is coming true. The price is going here to the downside. And the interesting information for you is what happens here. Since June, the price of Filecoin is going to the sideways. Yeah, you can see not so much happening. Yeah, June, and we're going here sideways. Now the danger information for you is that we already broke here through this sideways movement. Yeah, that was our old channel. Yeah, the price was going here only sideways, and now you can see since November, after this crash at the FTX, we see that the price is going or broke here, and go here to the sideways. And now the information for you is if you zoom in, then you can recognize that Filecoin has here problems. Let me look more inside to understand more. It is clear, but I want to look here more inside to understand the structure really good to give you the best information. So I have now the information. Yeah, the problem is that the chart is really high manipulated. So if you look to this, since makes sense, August, September. So for me is here clear that we have to go here to the downside. Yeah, especially if you look to the last steps, what happens here. Then we can argument and say, okay, we are out of range. Now we have to test these levels here. And if you zoom in, then you can see also here that we are already again out of range. Look, this was our uptrend, and the uptrend broke here. We make a retest. So for me, this is relatively clear that we will smash here to the downside. Let me look. I already know the end target, but I want to make here a good analysis for you, especially if you look if we break this here exactly. If you break here the $4.12 level, then Filecoin has really big problems. And you have here an inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. Yeah. And the neckline goes exactly at $3.88. So if the neckline breaks here, then Filecoin has really big problems. It will break, yeah, because this structure is not a good structure in which we can say, okay, we can stay here at these levels. Now, if you are a Wolf Price Target member, please request the Filecoin the Wolf Price Target membership, and you get here from my side the end target. I know that some people already request the Filecoin the Wolf Price Target. I will make also extra bonus video analysis for my members in the Wolf Price Target. So if somebody is not a Wolf Price Target member, please request there to get here the end target for Filecoin. Yeah, but let me look here more inside. I wanna know this exactly because a huge manipulation is here. This is my last video for today, so I wanna take the time to look here more exactly. I already know the end target, but I wanna look here very careful if we have here another manipulation, what I see here. So give me a little time. This is not good. The this event to the upside is good, yeah. But if you, this is a huge manipulation. Look, they are very smart, the elites. They will crash it. They will crash the market or Filecoin price to the downside, and we have exactly this here. So the next test is here. So prepare yourself. This I make only this for the free channel that you understand the power of the world price target. The price will smash here to the downside, and the next test is $11. So prepare. It's no financial advice. Prepare yourself that we will see here the $11. But the $11 is not the end target. It's only retest. The price of Filecoin will fly. Have a nice day. So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price, a short view. It is clear, the price will smash here to the downside, especially if you look to this, if you make only retest. This is, how can I describe this? A horrible crash will come. So you can see here the manipulation, exact same behavior what we saw here. This was also um, a hammer like this, a hammer like this, and this will not hold. We will smash really hard to the downside. That is clear. The problem, well, if you want, we can look here inside that you understand this. Look, let me look. So they manipulate the price to this level, okay? Then the price will come back to the downside. You can see the uptrend is broke. This will not hold, even if we see, okay, the price is here at these levels, the price will come back, yeah, like this to the downside. And exact on this level here, you can see 21 of December, 22 of December, the market will crash. If this is not happening, then the whales can stretch this to the new year and let the price down at 21 of January. Yeah. So these two possibilities we have here, but in my eyes, clear red signals the price of Bitcoin will smash here to the downside. The event, now we know this, yeah, the price will go here to the downside. So what kind of event this can be? Maybe the same what happens with FTX, that Binance is going to zero like FTX, yeah. That the elites invent an event and say, okay, what we can do that the price of Bitcoin can go here to the downside. So okay, so we put FTX down. So the next target is Binance. Yeah. I think there is a lot of scam in the cryptocurrency exchanges because the old world is manipulate the crypto exchange or a crypto world huge. Yeah. So these people have money and manipulate also the crypto area. And the problem is you as customer, you have uh, no energy, or how can I say, not the instruments to say, okay, I wanna not make a trade and protest. Yeah. So you can see from the FTX fiasco, many of the people lost their life savings, and who cares? Yeah, nobody cares about these people, and that's the sad information here. But this is another topic. Okay. From the technical point of view, we have to go here to the downside, and the next target for Bitcoin is in direction of 14,000. But the 14,000 is not the end target. This is only the next target. The price will smash here really hard to the downside. Yeah. Become a Wolf price target member, and you get here the end targets from my side. And especially if you look here to this formation is horrible negative. Have a nice day. See you later.